today I'm so excited because we are opening my belated birthday present from my two aunties, Coco and Ninang Donna. What is it? Is it a toy? Is it Lego? Is it chocolate? I'm so excited to open it. I'm gonna open it. It's a makeup kit! Thank you so much, Coco and Ninang Donna. Oh, by the way, this is my sister Newly. She decided to join me while I was opening the gift. Makeup on? No. Eyeshadow. Can I put makeup on? So let's start with the foundation first. Now let's put the blush on. Now let's put eyeshadow on. What color do you think I should put on my eyes? Maybe turquoise. Maybe turquoise. I do mine. Do you think that's enough? Now let's do the other eye. Do you want a different color for the other eye? Maybe blue this time. This one is not going to fit. Enough, Mommy. Here's a yellow. Do you like it, Mommy? Now let's put some lip gloss on. Now I'm gonna help my sister put her lip gloss on. I squeezed some out so you can rub it on your lips. Don't forget I have the cap. When you're putting blush on, you have to pucker your lips like this. It will work better that way. Yay, I do it myself. I'm done. You're done. Now let's put some nail polish on. Get put polish. No. It actually smells good, the nail polish. I put cherry pump. I can't open it. My nails are done. This is Suki again, and that's my baby sister Newly. Well, this is the end of my makeup session. See you again soon. I really like this gift. Bye.